Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we learn how to add navigation menu in our React.js project. In our previous video, we have learned about routing. So, user can navigate to other page by entering URL anytime, right? So that we are using navigation menu in our application. So, what I will do is, we'll create separate navigation component for our navigation menu and then I will use it in our parent component app.js component. Okay, first I will add some header to this page. It will be common to all the pages. So go to VS Code editor. In app.js component, I will add some header h3, then class name, margin will be 3, then style deflex, justify, content. The content will display it in center of the page. Header text will be React.js with Web API. I will add one more header with a different font size. So I will use h5 tag. Then class name same for h5 tag. So I am copying here and pasting here. And title will be student management. Okay, that's it. Save this. Go to the browser. Here we have the header. This is common to all the pages. Now we have to create navigation component. Here right click on components folder here. Click new file. File name will be navigation.js. Here I will import React, then component from React. This is mandatory to create our project. Then we'll import nav link from React router DOM. Then we'll add navbar nav from React Bootstrap. Then we'll create class export class, then component name navigation extends component. Here we'll create render method. Inside this render method we'll write HTML content. Next we'll write return. Here we'll add a navigation menu navbar. That background will be dark. Then logo will be large. So I mentioned LG. This is for background dark. This is for background. Expand LG. This is for icon. Navbar toggle. Here area control. Basic navbar nav. Close the tag. Then we'll add navbar dot collapse id equal basic navbar nav. Then close this tag also. Then we'll create nav. Inside this we'll create navigation menu using nav.link, then class name will be d inline, then p2 background will be dark, background dark, text white. Then link will be href. For home component we have to mention slash, then close this tag, then menu name will be home. That's it. I'm going to copy this and pasting below that. Change the link URL to department, then menu name will be department, and pasting below that. Your link should be student, then menu name will be student. These all for navigation menu looks like. Okay, this is home. We are creating three menus: home page, home, department, and student. If I click this link, department menu, it will go to department page. If I click student menu, it will go to student page. Okay, now let's import this navigation component in our parent component. So in our app.js, import like other component, import navigation from dot slash component, then component name navigation. Let's add this navigation below the header, then it will be common to all the pages. So navigation. Okay, that's it. Save this. Now go to the browser. See, here we have the navigation menu, that's background is dark, menu text white. Okay, if I click home page, it will be in home page. If I click department, this is department page. If I click student, this is student page. It's navigating to the page. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video. Bye.